So how to get your first $500 a day with Clickbank. And you see, most of the people or most of the gurus out there are telling you to only pick a profitable product, which in this case is true, but it's not the whole truth. You see, for you to start having $500 days, you need to have a great conversion platform. What do I mean by that? Let me give you one simple example. If I go out in the city right now to the coffee shop, right? What happens? I go inside as a visitor, as a customer, right? I will check the menu, order something, and the owner of the coffee shop is going to make money. Same thing is with affiliate marketing, right? You need to have conversion platform, somewhere where people come, some hub, right? Where people come to visit, purchase, go, and come back for reorders, right? Same thing with coffee shops. So the only difference between coffee shops or restaurant and website or affiliate marketing is that you are doing it online. You have online conversion shop, online conversion platform, and then you have to make sure that you have a quality product up there, right? Quality offer that you are promoting with the high enough margins, right? So example, if you are promoting the product that costs, let's say $100 and you get paid 90% commissions, you are getting decent commission. You are getting $90 per sale. So it's quite easy for you to make $3,000 per month with 1 to 2 sales every other day, right? It's quite easy to make $3,000 to $4,000 every single month if you have the great conversion platform, which is affiliate website. And this is what I want to get to you. This is what I want you to sink into your brain or your mind right now. Why? Because most people don't understand you cannot copy and paste your way to success in affiliate marketing. Yeah, you can do it, maybe get lucky, right? Get some sale here and there. But if you really want to have huge success long term, you have to have someone to mentor you, to guide you, to show you the steps, step by step, right? To give you the ropes, to hold your hand along the way, right? Sometimes it's great to invest few $1,000s into your knowledge, to your skill set, into the system, so that you can then make potentially a $30,000 or a $60,000 over the year or even more, right? So ask yourself, how much would it be worth to you to have someone to guide you through step by step without you having to waste a lot of time, months or even years, like most of the people, and a lot of money without making a decision, right? To have someone to guide you through. So I've been helping lots of different people set up this conversions platform online, the editorial, the website, the blog, right? The thing that you need in order for you to convert customers long term. Even if you want email list, if you want to build your email marketing conversion, right? You need to have some kind of opt-in page. So if you want to know exactly how to do it, how to structure it, because remember, positioning, authority, and structure is really important, right? If that wouldn't be important, everyone would be getting conversions. So if you're still watching this video and if you want to know how to get done fit with you and done for you affiliate conversion platform and set up your traffic campaigns to get visitors, right, to your website and to get sales, then let me know below this video. There are going to be links where you can connect with me, ask me any questions, and then we can go and move forward from there. So again, please subscribe to my channel, right? Subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. And again, don't forget to click the links below this video to get in touch with me.